Listen.
Let's face it, magnets are the most fun thing to fidget with. So we designed the perfect tool with everyday functionality and magnetic playfulness. Meet MEZMOPEN, addictively fun magnetic pen that automatically unbreaks itself. So you can break it again, and again. Connect to write, break to close. Flip with one swift motion. Enjoy smooth writing experience. Satisfy your urge to fidget. Keep it always with you.
Listen, I'm gonna make you feel so good. I'm gonna make you feel so good. I'm gonna make you feel so good. I'm gonna make you feel so good.
Designed to be much more than just a writing tool. Good luck putting it down.